Oh man, that's a redfish. Oh jeez, rip this out of my, no. Oh, lost him. All right, so it's 5:45 right now. I'm actually getting up just a little bit later than I was hoping. I hit dismiss instead of snooze, but anyway, that's all right. So I got the boat loaded up. I also have all the gear, everything ready to go. It's gonna be about an hour drive. I gotta get gas, and soon enough, just be on the road. So yeah, let's go catch some fish. Oh God, what is this? Definitely got some trout, baby. Got some trout. Oh, they're little ski trout though, you know? It's okay. Nope. Nope, nope. Out of my boat. Nope. Oh, that feels like a good trout. Oh, 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 that's not a trout, that's a redfish. Oh, wow. There we go, that's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for right there. Oh, yeah. Don't get away from me, baby. Not today. Oh, he's ripping the drag. He's ripping the drag. He's trying to meet up with his buddies. Sorry, dude. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in drift mode here. Oh, he's a big one. He's just gonna pull me around today. I mean, he's got some fight. Literally chasing this thing down. This might be a black drum. This one's big, but he's running. That's the thing. Oh yeah, big redfish. About to make a run for it. Yeah, there he goes. Jeez. Alright, coming back for you. I'll let you run. Catching bulls under birds, man. Bulls under birds. God. Shit. Nope, 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 nope. Shit. Okay, gosh. Whew. Let him go. Jeez. Oh yeah, he's ready. I need that net, I need that net, I need that net. Oh. He's in. Oh, he's in. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's in the net. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I can't even get him in. Oh. Wow. Oh my God, bull red. Bull red, man. Wow. And there it is right there. That's the lure. Of course, it was under birds, so call it cheating. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh man. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Jesus. God, he's big, big, big. All right. Wow. Look at this guy. Wow. Okay, so that's 37. It's 37 right there. Alright, so this really sucks. Totally just lost my GoPro after that big fish. Had perfect secondary footage. Everything was good. I even did a lot of B-roll footage with that camera today. It's a mistake. The clamp just it just slipped off of what it was hanging on and it fell off into the water. It almost like it hopped into the water. Still gonna try and do what I can with this GoPro here, even though this one keeps having memory card errors. But we still have some birds working. There's nothing I can do about the GoPro. It's gone. Just keep fishing and be happy, I guess. There it goes. Got him! I knew there was more out there. He's a keeper too. He's the keeper I'm looking for. Oh man. He's got some fight to him. Oh my God. Got me another one. Nope. Did he get away? Got away. Oh, there's more. Big cast. Oh man. That's a redfish. Oh, jeez. Rip this out of my... No! Oh! Lost him. Alright, so I just finished eating here at the Stingray restaurant over here on the Boulder Peninsula. Yeah, had a pretty successful day. Caught a couple redfish, lost a couple redfish, caught a couple little dinker trout underneath the birds. I think the thing to take away from today is I lost my GoPro. And the reason I lost that GoPro was that I didn't have the clamp clipped just right on the edge of the boat. And unfortunately, I don't even know what happened. The boat, something happened. Maybe I bumped it, but the GoPro clamp just kind of like snapped closed, and the weight of the GoPro that was hanging on top of the little arm mount just kind of flopped into the water. And unfortunately, I lost it. I even tried to go back into the GPS and run the sonar over the line where I may have lost it. Didn't see a thing, and unfortunately it's now gone. You know, right now I'm just gonna try to get back to the boat ramp, load everything up, and yeah, head home, start the week right. And anyway guys, hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Hit the bell icon. Let's make it happen. All right guys, see you on the next one.